Hi and welcome to my channel. My name is Erica Perez and today we're making burritos with papas a la mexicana with fluffy eggs, requested by my mother. If you guys want to see how I make these, just go ahead and keep on watching. Here I have 6 potatoes diced in cubes. Here I have a red bell pepper. It's a half diced. I have a serrano chopped. I have an onion that's already chopped. This is a quarter. This is only 1 serrano. I have 1 bell pepper that's already diced, and I have a handful of spinach that I chopped. I have 1 chorizo already cut up into little bite-sized pieces, as you can see. This is what we're gonna add to the potatoes, okay? To this pan we're gonna add potatoes, but we're gonna turn it on and leave it on a high to medium heat just until it warms up. Then we'll add the potatoes. Let's add the potatoes. The spices we are going to use today is going to be crushed red peppers. We're gonna use salt. We're going to use brown pepper. We are also going to use granulated garlic, and we're going to use comino, okay? All to your likings. Yes, puppy. Let's go ahead and give it a mix. Okay, this needs to cook for about 5 minutes, stirring it occasionally. Okay, 5 minutes have passed. You see this color here? That's the way we want it before we add all of the onions and the bell peppers and the spinach and the chili. So let's give it a last stir before we add the vegetables. Time to add the chorizo and the vegetables, okay? Give it a good mix. Here I have 3 Roma tomatoes diced. Now this is almost done. Let's go ahead and add the tomatoes. To this we need to add a little bit of salt. Let's give it a stir. Here we're just going to let the tomatoes kind of let out some of its juices so we can have this not too dry, as when you're reheating burritos you want it to stay moist, so you know, so it kind of cooks and defrosts or whatever quick. And that's the finished product of our papas a la mexicana for our burritos that my mother has been requesting. So keep on watching till the end. To this bowl we're going to go ahead and add 10 eggs. One hand, anybody? Una mano? Okay, now to this we're gonna add some heavy whipping cream. Vamos a ver. And some salt. Yes. Let's go ahead and give it a whisk. Okay, let's get started on the eggs here. We're gonna have it on to low medium heat And we're gonna go ahead and learn to make some fluffy eggs for the burritos. To the pan, I'm gonna add 2 slices of cheese to make it on half of it, on the half area. So half will be for my mom's burritos, half will be for my brother and my dad and my husband, or vice versa. Whoever wants the cheese will have the cheese. Whoever wants the one with non-cheese, they can have the one with non-cheese. Now we're go ahead and cap it. Recording. And that's it. That's how it came out. We have the cheesy egg and the non-cheesy egg, and this is how fluffy they are. And we're gonna divide this to add into our flour tortillas for burritos. So let's warm up 10 tortillas. That's what I'm thinking that's gonna do for the amount of potatoes and eggs. And if we need more, we will go ahead and make more. The last 2 of the 10. Okay, let's go ahead and get started on rolling our burritos for breakfast. First burrito done. So here we have the 5 burritos. I have cheese. I have 1 more slice over there with cheese that I'm going to go ahead and make, but I'm going to start the other 5 first for the ones that need it without the cheese. Okay, so for this last one, I'm going to use the cheese and the rest of this, and I'm going to fill mine with avocado. And that's it. That's the burrito that I will be having with the avocado. If you guys made it to the end of the video, I hope you guys liked what you see. And if you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and share the video. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Until next time, bye.